Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Exploring with K&C, and today we are at the Yant Flat Trailhead. Don't know a whole lot about this hike other than it's 3.4 out and back, elevation gain of 334, and just people said it had a lot of great views. And to start out, some nice mountains up here. Anyway, let's get to it. Here's Christy.
Spent the last year chasing myself. Take me to a better place where love's something else. Though it's wrong, running high.
And we have sand. I guess it shouldn't surprise me because pretty soon we'll be on some big sandstone formations. So what's sandstone made out of? Well, sand. That's why there's gonna be a lot of it up here, I guess.
Am I the only one left now? Aren't you tired of always being around? Like you're stuck everywhere. You keep it to yourself and your innocence. The only thing that's left for me. It's not that I want more, I only need it. I can't believe it, you fell on me.
I'm kind of in one of those situations where I got to keep rolling the whole time because there's so much beauty and cool things to see that I can't shut it off. Gonna crab walk, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Be very careful, sweetie.
Sorry.
Okay, for those of you that are gonna make fun of Christy and I for crab walking just now, we're old. That's all you need to know.
All I ever met you is for sure the one I need. And I said to myself, you cannot wait and see. I didn't know she already had a plan for us, but I will make her mine no matter what the cost. I kept it to myself, no need to straighten the lines, but now it's time to leave it all behind.
So I always say, I've got MS. So I always say, I got MS, what's your problem?
What's your excuse?
What's your excuse?
Needs to be, I might be out of my mind, and I know it's hard to see. All she ever wanted is me.
Okay, so that was the Yant Flat Trail, and what was your impression of it?
I liked it. It was fun. Challenging. Really flat up until just before you get to the actual flats. Getting down to the actual peak, that was a little bit sketchy. But it was fun.
Cool.
It was good.
Yeah, we were kind of joking about it, that they would call it flat anything, because when you get down onto the sandstone, it's anything but flat, right? It's dog friendly. There was a little bit of up and down. The elevation gain says it's only 334, but you know, it was just up and down. My legs had a pretty good workout. But yeah, that was a fun trail. There's a lot of different features to it, you know, like down in this area, you're like going through the mountain trees and whatnot, and then it opens up into the sandstone, and a lot of really cool, I don't know, features on the sandstone itself. Kind of looks like turtle shell and whatnot, but when you get up to the very end, that cliff, the views are pretty damn amazing. So enjoy that, and that's it for now. Say goodbye, Christy.
Goodbye.
See ya.